Alright, I realized the last video cut me off, so I'm just finishing up where we were. So I'm almost done with frequency separation. I leave this hair on her arms because it's part of her. I think the only thing left I have to do is this right here. And I'm going to run my next set of actions. First thing I do, hold down my portraiture at 100%, brush it on. Now this is where I might go over the hair a little bit, because I am going to pull this down quite a bit, down to 50%, or around 50. And I know I'm not going to need that anymore, so I'm going to flatten it. Okay, so the only thing I haven't done so far is gotten rid of this. So it should be fairly simple. Boom, boom. Oh, what I noticed we did earlier is I didn't paint over that. But I'm not going to worry about it because there's a quick trick to this. So if you run across something like this, don't worry. Create a new blank layer. You're going to go to your brush. You're going to grab your dropper tool and pick the color next to it. And then go to back to the layer, and you're going to turn it to color. And probably 50%, and you're just going to paint over that. See what it does at 100%. So at 100%, it changes the color, but it gets rid of the color for you. And what you can do is flatten that. Use your spot healing brush. It's gone. Easy peasy. I also noticed there's one little thing on her ear. Okay. Next I would do Red Be Gone. Just brush out a little bit of the red. She doesn't have a lot on her. Mainly fingers, wrists, a little bit of that ear, shadowy areas. Sometimes they turn gray, so I turn it down. 70%. And then right here. Okay. Check the levels. Got a lot. That brightened it quite a bit. But what happened? It blew out the highlights in her face, to me, a little too much. So you don't have to go all the way up. Just brighten it up just a tiny bit. Go in here and see what it would look like if we added the peach glow. And I don't use it every single time, only if I feel like it's necessary. Okay. She's pretty good. Her cheeks, we really don't need that. I don't need Light Me anywhere specific. The only thing I might do now is create that gradient. We'll put gradient. Reverse that. Turn it just a little bit. Dither. Pull the gradient down quite a bit. It's a little light for me. Okay, I'm going to turn it a little bit more. It's turned a little too much. Okay, make sure it's not on baby. Okay. I hit the wrong shortcut key. I hate when I do that. When in doubt, you just turn it on and off. Make sure you got it everywhere so you missed a little bit right there. That's pretty good. I think that looks good. Maybe if you want to pull it from the other direction, you can do that as well. So it looked like if you did it from the other direction. What I tend to do with these is I will check, is there multiply? So it kind of got rid of that kind of highlight from the light. And then I zoom out. Looks pretty good. The last step, clarity. Zoom in, 100%, brush, and get those lashes a little bit. That should be good. Now I'll zoom out. She might be a teeny tiny bit dark for me. So what I might do is use that light me. Because remember, my screen is darker than it prints. I mean, it's brighter than it prints. Yep. That should be it. We're going to save that. On to the next video.